Approaching the middle of second semester, seniors are gearing up as Senior Assassins has begun. From car crashes to friendship betrayals, the rush to the $2,000 prize is more serious than ever.
That's some power.
The long-run senior tradition of Senior Assassins typically begins in late February and goes until roughly April, or until all the teams are out. The class-wide Nerf battle involves teams of students going out into the community and trying to get other teams out through a playful Nerf war.
Alright, so one efficient way to actually stay in the game is to wear your safety item at all times. Do not think that you are safe in any area, because you are not. You do not know who's going to be backstabbing you in any way. And also just, you got to be secretive about who you're going to be shooting, because if they know, then you're not going to get them.
I think the key to being successful in the game is to never have your location on and always be secretive about where you're going. Don't trust anyone. And then in terms of getting kills for people, I would say plan it out with your team the day before and go at it hard when you're going to go.
So I feel like some of the rules are fair, but I feel like how people are going against the rules aren't like the best because people take those rules into advantage.
I agree. There's some people that haven't following the rules. I know there's a car crash very early in the game, so I think you should definitely be safe out there.
I think the team aspect is so much better because then you're not as paranoid as to like who you can trust and whatever. And I think that like being with your friends makes it way more fun when you're going to try to get kills and everything.
In DGS with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Abby Heffer.